how would you reflect back the performance of the business this quarter?
Well, first of all, thank you for having us on. And welcome to a refreshing set of numbers. When we met, a few quarters ago, we did speak about the fact that, there'd be successive improvement in EBITDA over the next several quarters. And that is what we actually set about performing. If you look at, in fact, the cost lines, there has been tremendous, leashing on, rein on cost itself. We actually worked on several measures in terms of reducing costs, and that in lots of ways have been captured in the gross margin line. But unfortunately, there has been, of course, secular inflation that has run across all industries. And of course, our industry has also, it's not as though it's immune to that. And to that extent, the gross margins could have been better, but for this inflation factor, because optimization was certainly there across air freight, across write-offs, and in terms of returns and the like. This is also evident in other lines across the manufacturing, other expenses, so to speak. There's, of course, a lot of investments happening in India in particular, and adjacencies that we had actually started a few quarters ago. And to that extent, there is, of course, a slight increase. But this is, of course, in some ways offset by the various initiatives that we've taken on the cost front. So far as the top line is concerned, it does not move so much. That's because of the fact that we did not have the products to kind of launch. But as we said, we have, in fact, a cashier of products that we'd be launching in the next several quarters across markets, and in particular America. Spiriva, Darunavir, Varenicline are all of those products that we would be bringing to the market in the next several quarters.
Could you talk a little bit more about your U.S. drug pipeline and the regulatory environment, how supportive that is to generic drug pricing?
Yeah, I just spoke about it. So insofar as we are concerned, we believe that we have, in fact, a very robust pipeline for the U.S. In the current quarter, in the current year, for sure. We do believe that we would be launching Spiriva, Darunavir, Varenicline, but only a start. We are actually building up a pretty impressive portfolio when it comes to, in fact, complex products across inhalation space and injectables. And that is going to be the future. And some of these platforms would actually straddle across, would actually serve markets across other geographies, Europe and potentially Latin America and other parts as well. So we do expect all of this to click in and to get us back to, in fact, where we usually used to perform about 2-3 years ago in terms of EBITDA margins.